Hey, what's up? It's time for another practice exercise. Today I want you to design your own custom lower third for yourself with your name, with your descriptor, and add a little bit of motion to it. If you can, try to replicate what I've done here for my own video clip with my name, a little bit of description, and this little line that pops out right here. This is a little bit more advanced. This is something I would use in a real video, and it's all created right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sometimes I use Adobe After Effects to create graphics like this with motion, but you can create some more advanced graphics like this right in Premiere Pro. So if you can try to replicate this, do it. I'll give you one clue to get started, and that is that all of these layers are separated. So my name, my descriptor, and this line, those are different title layers. They're not in the same title card. So get at it, try to replicate this if you can, and in the next lesson, I will be going over how I did it.